walking with the ghost.
Good day everyone, my name is Anya and I will teach you how to make cake balls. It is just fun and easy to make, especially if you have a companion who can help you. And it may be also a bonding with your family and friends. And that is one of the main reasons why I want to share this recipe with you. So let's start with the tools and equipments. Here is the rubber scraper or rubber spatula, sifter, mixing bowl, hand mixer, and some other bowls where we can put all the ingredients. So here are the ingredients we will be using. 1 cup cake flour, 130 grams sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 170 grams oil, 1 egg, 50 ml all-purpose cream, 100 ml milk, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Also milk chocolate and white chocolate for the coatings. And it's mixing time! Sige. Sift the ingredients first before mixing them. Here's the flour and the cocoa. I forgot, we will also put the salt here in the mixture. And next, we will put the oil and sugar together. And we will stir all of this with a hand mixer. It may take 4 minutes to mix it. While we were mixing, we will add the egg. And the food coloring. Maybe just 1 drop or 2. We will mix the all-purpose cream and the milk together. Set aside. So next, we will alternatively mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients in the oil and sugar mixture. Then the wet mixture. also add the vinegar and baking soda together. And give it a mix. And after mixing, we will preheat the oven to 200 Celsius. So here are the cake pop modes. It is much convenient to use than the regular method of shaping it. So while we were waiting for the cake balls to cook, we will melt this chocolate in the microwave. So it's ready for baking. Let's cover it. And let's put it inside the oven. And let's wait for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I think it's already cooked. So let's see. Yes, it is cooked already. 15 minutes. So these are the chocolates we melted. It's time to cook the cake balls. So this is the last. And the final touch is the sprinkles. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something about my video. And these are the cake balls I made